going to show you how to use the help center on the Alibaba website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, go to your home page, then scroll down to the bottom, and here you can find the customer services section. Then click on help center. Wait a few seconds till it loads, and then you will be able to ask for help. Here you can see the search bar at the top of the page. You can enter a question or a keyword such as payment, and if so basically a keyword about the topic of your question. Click on the search button, and then you can find the search results here. Tap on the relevant question, and here you can see the answer. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.